Yo, welcome guys. Okay, look, I've been testing crypto platforms for a few years now, and I've genuinely seen a lot, like a lot. And the last few months specifically, I've been going pretty deep on AI trading tech, automated bots, AI-driven token trading, all that stuff. And today, I want to break down how this actually works, show you live on screen, and then share a few things from my own experience on how to not get completely wrecked by scam projects. So stick around, let's get into it. So, okay, let me actually show you how proper automated trading technology is supposed to work. Like, what does a legitimate setup actually look like, step by step? So first thing I'm doing is pulling up the platform here and going straight into Launch Bot. All right, so here I'm looking at is trading pair. And look, the reason there are this many coins to choose from is because the bot is working across 20 exchanges at the exact same time, so the selection is naturally going to be wide. Okay, so then I'm hitting live mode right here, and now this field comes up asking for my ETH address. So I'm going to jump into my wallet. Okay, copying it, coming back over here to the platform now, and I'm just paste it right into this field here. All right, good. So now capital allocation. Now I need to set how much capital I'm actually putting to work here. And I'm going with, yes, that number right there. Okay, and then risk level comes right after that. And this one I want to actually explain properly because I think people skip past it. This slider is literally determining how opportunistic the bot is. Like when it finds a trade that's potentially profitable but also a bit sketchy, does it take it or does it pass? The higher you go, the more chances it takes. I'm setting mine to somewhere that feels reasonable for a demonstration. Aggressive enough to actually do something, but not completely unhinged. And then the last thing I need to configure is arbitrage strategy, which is essentially just telling the AI which lane to stay in, which specific approach to apply when it's scanning for price differences between all these exchanges. Okay, I'm taking one last look at everything here. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Let's actually run it. So now I'm on the deposit screen, and I want to flag something here because I think it's actually worth knowing. I'm not required to come in with ETH specifically, like literally whatever's right now is fine. They take that coin and convert it into WON on their end automatically before the bot does anything. Okay, that's submitted. I'm tapping I've sent, and good, it's live. So right here on the dashboard, I can see everything happening in real time. Trades executing, win rate building up, average spread tracking. There's a chart showing the whole session as it goes, and honestly, the interface is pretty no nonsense, which I appreciate. Now it's just, you let it breathe for a few minutes. Okay, so I'm tapping stop and withdraw right now. Good, so this screen right here is basically the report card for the whole session. Total time it ran, every trade that went through, which strategy it was running on, the win rate, and then the profit figure at the bottom, which already has the platform's fee taken out of it. That last number is the one I actually care about. All right, I'm hitting withdraw, just waiting on the confirmation here. Funds should head to my wallet in a few minutes, so let me talk about something while that happens. So here's the context you need to understand where I'm coming from. I've been actively testing crypto platforms for years, and I mean testing in the real sense, not just depositing money and hoping it works out. I mean going in with a process, keeping records, watching how things behave over time, and doing that consistently has meant bumping into a lot of scam projects along the way, like a genuinely uncomfortable amount of them. And the thing I want you to hear is where these projects live, because it's not some sketchy forum that only 5 people visit. It's YouTube. It's the first page of Google. It's Reddit threads with hundreds of comments that look completely organic. Like, these things are just everywhere you'd actually go to find real information, right in the mix. And that's exactly what makes them effective. So here's what I've actually learned to look for. First thing, website design. This one sounds basic, but it's weirdly reliable. Scam platforms almost always look slightly wrong. Not broken, not obviously fake, just a little off. The fonts don't quite match, certain sections feel like they were built separately and pasted together, the images have that stock photo energy that doesn't quite fit the context. It passes a first glance, but the moment you slow down and actually look at it, you start feeling something. And the second signal, and honestly this one is more telling, is the interface. A platform that's built to actually work long-term invests in making the user experience smooth and intuitive because they need you to stay. Scam platforms don't need you to stay, so the interface ends up feeling either unnecessarily confusing or suspiciously hollow, like the bones of something functional without the actual muscle. And when both of those things are showing up in the same place at the same time, I close the tab. I don't need more information than that. Okay, so to bring this back to what I'm actually showing you today, I've been running this platform for a few weeks now, and I want to be specific about what that means. I've done over 18 sessions on it. I've tested it across pretty much every token the bot supports. I've deliberately varied my allocation sizes and risk settings throughout, and nothing has cracked. Every single withdrawal has gone through, every session has tracked the way it's supposed to. Not once has anything come up that made me second guess what I was looking at. And for someone who spent as much time on the wrong side of the space as I have, that track record over a real testing window is genuinely the most honest endorsement I can give anything. So if you want to go find out for yourself, link is in the description and pinned in the comments. And appreciate you watching this one. See ya.